Welcome back to another episode of Multiblock Madness. I think I've figured out the problem with the mods issue with updating the pack. So I'm gonna do that. So somehow about 10 of the mods or so got kind of bugged. I don't really know exactly what happened. But they needed to be either re-downloaded or a duplicate version be released, and I don't know why. It doesn't make sense. Um, but you know, hey, it is what it is. So we're gonna update the change log. Multiblock minus 2 change log. There we go. That's updated. Our oh, bummer. Okay, we're gonna put this in a separate one. And then we'll just edit this maybe? Yeah. Okay. So there's that. We'll upload that. Yeah, cool. Now we gotta work on the server pack. Alright, that took longer than I expected. Mostly because I couldn't actually load the game with the version I uploaded. One of the mods that was bugging out was the flywheel compat for Oculus. And when I re-downloaded it, it also downloaded Flywheel, which is bundled in with Create now. So had to remove that and then re-upload. I also got murdered when I was AFK. All my armor got destroyed, and I went with speed. I might actually take off like some speed. That's a lot of speed. Have any other good pants though? That's the real question. 10 speed. I might just go with this armor one. All right. Actually, I did kind of like that speed. Okay. So, this episode, what are we going to be working on? These are fun. Digital storage. Can't believe I actually got that now. I might make a couple more drives. Let's see. So let's say I wanted to work on this recipe here. Basically, I would say just swapping out this redstone dust. What do we have access to? I could just do electrical alloy. Only a couple. I still don't know why this happens. We could do electrical alloy. Electrical alloy is copper. Oh snap. Gotta reload. Yeah, we'll just roll with this. A plate? Sure, why not? Also, how overkill is it to have it require 4 instead of just 3? And then so on. That feels overkill. Alright, and there we go. Oh, I forgot to switch the processor over. There we go. Very cool. So I think I'm going to craft up these. So I need 3 more logic processors. And then I'm guessing we don't have enough silicon, which is quartz. I don't think quartz can be duplicated either, but I do think it can be crafted. Yes, from densite, which we also don't have. I think there is a densite vein. Yeah, right there. I guess for now we'll just do like 32 and probably like 16 of these. I should probably reboot too. I think that's crush smelt. Yeah. Hey, look at that. We already have a stack of quartz. Very nice. Smelt this up. Looks like we already have 10 ready to go, but I'll do these other 16. This is a pretty cool setup, I think. Besides that. Yeah, I love the art too. So I think it'll only press if it needs to, but it'll always saw. I can't believe I have this to go one space. Also, I think I can... No. I was gonna say, I think I can go like diagonally, but no, I don't think so. I guess technically what I could have done is I could have moved this over one and then had the ejector go directly into this with a chute. Anyway, I'm gonna make a 4K, I think. I'm not sure if that'll be space efficient now that I think about it, because the oops. The what am I trying to say? It won't be space efficient because I already have some 1Ks, and if there's an item in a 1K that I try to put into a 4K, or like it fills up, it'll try to fill up whatever it can first, then it'll start to fill up the 4K, so it'll be in two different drives. But I think we'll live. Finally. The silicon is taking its sweet, sweet time. I guess I didn't have to do these gold ones already, but, you know. We should start to see this cruising pretty soon. There we go. Picks it up, puts it in the deployer, pops it, shoots it with the acid. But that just looks so good. Okay. I think we need 3. And there we go. 4K. I need to house it. Do I have a housing? I don't think so. Can I just do this? Well, that doesn't work. There we go. Now, let's see if we can put the rest of this stuff in. Maxed half the types used. Let's see. Oh, and we're capped. Huh. I guess I kind of need another cell now. This is awkward. Guess I should have seen that coming, to be honest. Okay, so I need to make another... I realistically should make another 4K. This one actually might be an 8K. I'm gonna need... I think 1 block is enough for a 4K, because it makes 12. Alright, let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3. Maybe I should just make 3 1Ks, to be honest. So we need... should I make 3 1Ks? No, I don't think so. Because I need... Did I make another housing? Nope. Still need to change the metal here. I need to move big stuff. Alright, let's see. Come on. Was my magnet off? Yeah. Oh, I think we're out of power, actually. Alright, looks like we're going to need at least one more for this one. And then depending on if I want to move these guys or not. So all these are non-stackable, so we need a bunch of 1Ks for that. I think a 4K is probably fine for this. Cool thing with this is I can straight up move it now. Like it's literally like 5 items. So I can just put this here, pop those drives back in. I think we need more. Can I just break this down? No. Yeah. Glowstone, redstone. Got extra storage buses now. But we can use. Oh, I don't have the thing. That's a bummer. Gotta grab it from the setup. I probably should just make another one of these sorters. How are you doing? Decent. I wonder if I shouldn't speed this up a little bit. I don't think we strictly need to, though, necessarily. I always forget which way this goes. Perfect. So, glowstone, redstone. Guess we'll just do that. That's all of our... Dang it. That's all the glowstone we have. But that should be enough for some stuff. I think we're gonna need another block. I guess I could make the sawmill, but at this point it feels like spending way more resources than it would actually save. Alright, so I think we just need this one. And then bricks, I think we need. We're gonna need the brick chain. That's coming up. I wonder if I shouldn't put like a chain chapter. Like side progression lines have like chains. Maybe. Also, I appreciate the comments. Even if I don't respond necessarily. It's definitely means a lot to me. So thank you for that. Alright, we've got pretty much just one empty ME storage cell. I wonder if I can't just break this. I think I'm gonna put the stack upgrades just in case, I think. Oh, I forgot about this one. Ooh, I think I'll just make 2 more. I think we're out of, yeah. So I think we're gonna need 2 more 4Ks. Or no, just 1, I guess. Probably 2, let's be real. Oh, actually, both of these have some types left. I mean, who am I kidding? We're definitely still gonna need all of it. But let's do... I think we're gonna need 2 more. So it looks like we have enough for 1 more 4K, so maybe we'll just do the 1 more. I guess we could do a 3K as well. I think we need more silicon for that. Yeah, I think we only did a few. May as well do all the silicon, really. That's kind of annoying. I accidentally toggled shaders on because I fixed my computer issue, but this is going to be annoying. Is it a little more laggy? I think it's a little more laggy. What was the... K toggle shaders? Oh wow. It's a lot more boringer. I just love this this texture here. All these textures. I mean, I know I just like basically just recolored it, but still, I love it. Very satisfying. So I think I need another 3 of these to make another 4K. Looks like I'm out of Certus quartz. That's not good because I need to double it. Yeah. So the more you have, the faster it is to double because, you know, it just is. And then this has got to be, oh, you know what I actually started doing was the crystal growth chambers. I completely forgot that I was starting that. Yeah. I guess for now, I'm gonna just make the 3K and then I think I'll just make, yeah, a 4K and then a 1K. So I'm pretty sure that should be fine. We'll break this one first so the 4Ks get filled first. Okay, let's go. These here. Break it now? Nope. Oh, that's hilarious. I need to pop this off. And then we're good. I won't have a food source necessarily, because this has my feeding upgrade in it. Can I break it now? Is that too much to ask? Never gets old. Absolutely never gets old. So let's see what we got here. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's pretty much exactly what I wanted to see. So this 1K, only one that's left. Let's pop this, and then, yeah, we'll break it. And then here we go. Last one, hopefully we can fit. It looks like we can. Not bad. So we are very close to being capped. But we have a lot more room now. Oops. Thanks. Fill in the floor a little bit. Whoa. Okay, I like it. Alright, so I'm going to turn all these plates into plating. Is there a better way than just dropping them? Because I know the hopper only feeds one at a time, so it can't do like gear recipes, which is effectively what this is. So is there a better way to pipe at this stage? Alright, let's see what we can make. Apparently I can make one. I think accelerator is an understatement. I believe that. What else was it? What am I missing? Quartz glass? Ew, that's gonna be a problem. I think I need all 6 to make the, Wait a second, can I make molecular assemblers at this stage? Oh, I can. Interesting. Yeah. Wait, where is molecular assemblers? Oh, there they are. Because it takes the lumium, that's right. So I need the mixer first. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, all I need is a little bit of water. I think I can actually use this for a bucket. And then I think I can just put it kind of like, I think it needs to be powered with this stuff. So let's see what we got here. Actually, let me pick these up too. I think it needs to be, we'll put it like this. And then grab those cables. And then we'll do one like this. Wait a second. Oh, fair enough. Okay, so we don't need this dirt. Boom, boom. We do need, if I'm not mistaken though, we do want this. And then these are gonna go like this. Okay, so actually, I think 4 was correct. I don't think we need 6. Maybe the top one would work, but I'm not sure. Let's see what we're looking at here. Okay, so this is 73%. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So about 2% a second. So that'll take another, got 15 left, about 7 seconds. That is definitely faster. So all we need now is to crush it a bunch of times. So it'll take about a minute at that rate. And we need glass to make more. So we're gonna need, I guess the next doubling we can take enough off to make the rest. Oh, I still do have it as 4. Thought I changed that. Alright, we can also get started on the mixer, because we're gonna need it. So we need a lot of stuff. A lot of cobalt brass, which if I'm not mistaken was cobalt. Easy enough. Brass. Easy enough. Aluminum. Sort of easy. Yeah, I really gotta reload this. Get rid of those double tooltips. But I wanna say... that I should probably process some of this aluminum. Looks like we're good on this for a minute. Oh, we're still processing stuff here. Oh, snap. Maybe I should increase that chest. Alright, I'm going to put a gold chest here with a triple stack upgrade. Basically, we want this thing to move. Well, that's overkill by an insane amount. Perfect. So we actually have a lot of storage buses right now. We got 6 unused storage buses. Nice. Salmon roll, we can finally eat this salmon roll. And I think that's all the food we had. So the feeding upgrade would actually be kind of nice. Alright, well this should keep me fed. Not great, but fine. I really wanted this to be a backpack, but I accidentally crafted this one instead. Just feels wrong to 1x stuff when you can, like, not. How are we looking here? Not bad. I'm probably avoiding quite a bit of these grits, but I think that's probably okay. How are we looking over here? 600 cobalt, nice. 265 titanium. Okay, okay. I dig it. I think we're... Oh no, this is I think this one's almost ran out. 16k here. Oh, that's right. That's not actually crafting. Alright, there's the cobalt. May as well 4x it. I don't really know what to do about the magical ores. I had this whole like dream about making them like a special furnace and stuff. But I don't know if they actually I think Arcanite is one of the only ones that actually has its own ore vein. The other ones all spawn as a byproduct or like a split. Forget what that's called. Like in an ore vein. Um, which basically means that actually I think I want to do. Oh, that's interesting. Wait, what? You can do that. Uh, Interesting. Okay, I wonder if I can change that. Huh. Well, they really upgraded this. I wonder if there's a new favorite button. Hmm. Because ideally, I want it to be recipes to, well, I kind of want the recipe thing to show up again. I kind of want to enable the rainbow, but I don't know what it does. I'm also kind of curious to know how this works. So let's see. Oh, wow. That's kind of fun. Yikes. Oh, wow. I love that. I don't even know what it does, but I love it. Give me something with multiple steps here. Okay. Hmm. Um, because this is like the different recipes to get there. Let's see. So let's say we want magnesium ingots. Right, sure. Um, this is refined stuff. Okay, interesting. Huh. I don't know how useful that is, to be honest. Because this is what it looks like by default. I guess the other way is a lot cleaner. Let's try it. That's a huge update, though. I kind of like this. Feels a lot cleaner. Like, it's kind of nice to be able to see everything you can do at once. But honestly, normally the recipes are like... That's interesting, too. Normally they are... What am I trying to say? Like the same. Like this, it's fairly obvious. Like, you know, you just craft that. Those are shapeless recipes anyway. Let me see. I don't know. So like here's an example. You can see it's brass, aluminum. Oh, you can't bookmark the recipe in this mode? Is that what I'm seeing? This one. Cobalt brass recipe. Interesting. So that seems like a bug. Well, for now I guess I'll keep it. Okay. I actually really liked being able to see the recipes up here. But 4 brass, 1 aluminum, 1 cobalt. Well, my recording was messed up again. My volume was lowered quite a bit. But I did craft up the diesel generator. And this is basically, it'll turn itself on once this battery gets low enough. We're still short on potatoes for like proper, like full-time use. So this will basically drop. We are buffering potatoes themselves, which is quite good. Because that means that the ethanol is still backed up right here. So we've got a lot of buffer, but not a ton. Like this is probably, it'll go through pretty quick, basically. But enough to run this for quite a bit. I also need to properly craft up these guys. Yeah. Got one heavy left. I think I want to probably look into crafting an excavator soon. So I'm going to need to craft up 2 more. But yeah, so I had to do quite a bit to get to that point. I think it's like 13 heavy engineering blocks or something. So I had to do quite a bit of crafting. Besides setting it up, let's see what else I did. What else did I do? I don't even remember. I crafted a bunch of alloys, like usual, tons of Invar, in preparation for crafting up the mixer, because at this point, I actually can get these. I'm just like a couple steps away. Like the Duroplast sheets is just a matter of putting it together. I'll probably work on this next episode. But yeah, creosote oil I've been buffering, and then this stuff here is just ethanol, so I actually need to buff ethanol. Because that's actually not 1-to-1, and this is like 250. It's a 50% more. Where is the... Here it is. So 50% more, so let's say we do 4 of them, which would be 1,000. 50% more of that would be 150. So 1.5 buckets of ethanol makes 4 Duroplast sheets, which is not super great. In fact, that's pretty terrible. I wish that there was like a little like notepad I could use, just like a to-do notepad. But yeah, so that's going to be next. I don't know if it's going to be next episode necessarily, but we're also going to probably look into if this recipe is fair or not. Like this second recipe here was specifically for this stage in the game. So in other words, there's really no reason to ever use this one anymore. Like this was for when it was earlier. So I might make it so that this is the 1 and then there's another 2 later on. Fiberboard. Yeah, so 1 bucket is 8. That's actually a pretty good ratio. It is recommended that you get the sawmill. I think this is the best yield. Because if you do log to plank, you get 6 planks, which can then be crushed down into a sawdust each. And then you also get a free sawdust. So it's 7 per log. Versus if you just crush the log, you just get 4. So it's a good yield. Same as this precision sawmill, but oh, actually it's only 25%, so no. Anyway, that being said, I've also got, I think the induction smelter is getting a new recipe soon, so that's cool. Machine frame, not bad. I'll probably do like some sort of like, I don't know, AI crafting. Feels fun. Pyrotheum dust. Oh, that's right. Once I get pyrotheum dust, I'll have access to proper Tinker's goings ons. Yeah. Molecular assemblers coming up soon. All we need is the aluminum. It's actually pretty cheap. Cool. So yeah, anyway, we're progressing along nicely. Just got the diesel generator. And we've unlocked chapter 4 for sure. I'll probably start on this soon. Structural alloy plate. I guess I could have crafted this before. Anyway, so I might do this next, might do this next, might do these next. Probably this. I really want to get auto crafting going. Now that I have power, I can actually use the arc furnace, which is way faster than that thing, especially because I don't have a good source of high heat yet. So we should be cooking. So far, feels good. I've made any changes really that I feel necessary. Oh, and this is good to go too. Simulation chamber. Oh, but we need the, yeah. We need the brick chain still. I've been putting it off mostly because I've already done it in another world, and it is tedious to set up the entire thing. Very enjoyable, but it is also tedious. And why do I not have that? Should pick these up real quick. Perfect. Alright, anyway, that is going to be it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed. Sorry for the delay. I'm just recording this clip, kind of slapped onto like a 2 weeks ago recording. So, it is what it is. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one.